Hey folks, I'm gonna solve the simplest 2D DP problem today for you. The problem is minimum pass sum in LeetCode. The problem says that you are given a grid and you want to go from top left to the bottom right with the minimum cost. You can only move to right and down. You can see this problem in your real life by when you enter some cell. You need to pay some toll, you need to pay some cost, and you want to pay the minimum cost to reach the end. So to repeat, we start from top left. In each move, we go to right or down. We have two choices. And finally, we want to reach at the final cell, which is right down, bottom right, and we want to have the minimum cost. So let's check out this example. You can see that 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 minimizes the sum, which is 7. Or we can have this example in which we go to 1, 2, 3, and finally 6. Or I can write a new example for you, which is, let's say, 5, 1, 2, 3, 10, 1, 2, again, let's say 1, then here 1, then 10, then 5, then 10, whatever. Okay, so the minimum cost here I need to calculate in real time will be this. Good. Or let me use another, or sorry, will be this. Okay, so we need to solve this problem. For solving this problem, you should start from thinking about what is the minimum cost to reach to every cell in this grid. Good. So let us think about this like this. Let me try to make these numbers larger. Okay. Good. Okay. Good. So what is the minimum cost for this cell? It's 5. This cell it's 6. This is 8. This is 11. This is 15. This is 16. Sorry. What about this cell? When it comes to this cell, what we need to look is we either enter like this or like this. So given both cases, this one is better, so this will be 7. Then with the same method, we can find that this is 9, then this is 10. Finally, we will figure it out that this one will be, oh great, 17 from both sides. Look, 7 plus 10 and 16. So no, 16 plus 10, it's 26. So 17 is the best answer here. What about this one? It's 14. And finally, this is 20. And if I want to retrieve the pass, this will be like, sorry, like this. Okay. This is a very natural way to solve these kind of problems. And guess what? We are gonna implement exactly what we said. We'll just fill the costs as I said. So we start from the top row, going from left to right. Calculating the first row is easy, then second row, then third row, and finally we'll print the cost for the last cell. This is easy to understand, right? So yeah, let's start implementation for this problem. So I'm gonna define some DP and set it equal to the grid itself. Then what I'm gonna do is iterating over all, defining n and m then going to m, and dp0i plus equals dp0i minus 1. So this way I calculate the dp for the first row. Okay, this is the first row. For the first row you don't need to use minimum and whatever. Then I'll go over the rest rows like this. For each row, the first cell in this row will have cost equal to dpi minus 1 and 0. It's top cell plus itself. That's it. Plus itself, the dp values initially are their values itself. So I just need to do this. Then let's go over all other cells in this row, and then I'll have I minus 1 j, or better say I j minus 1, dp I minus 1 and j, and finally we return dp n minus 1 n minus 1. That's it. And let me run this code. Okay, and let me submit this. We got AC. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and put comment if you have a better idea to solve this problem. Just a note here, we could instead of having these corner cases, we could expand our DP array, adding 2 fake row and column, and setting all of them to infinity to calculate this easier. But this is good enough, easier to understand. Thank you, and bye-bye.